Hi everyone, welcome back to PyData Sri Lanka YouTube channel. Today we will be discussing about Python zip function. Simply, Python zip function allows parallel iteration among two or more iterable containers. These iterables can be the lists, dictionaries, sets, tuples, and even strings. The function will return a single iterable object by mapping the elements of corresponding positions. For you to understand, let me show you how we can zip these two lists containing first names and last names of three individuals. First, I am going to call a variable as full names to store my results. Then it will be a single code line to zip the two lists. And if I just print the full names list, you can see that the output is not in a readable format. To avoid that, what we can do is converting our output into a list format and print the results. This can be a dictionary, then it can also be a set, and even it can be a tuple. Any kind of an iterable container will suit the situation. Suppose now we need to print these full names one by one. Then we can simply call a for loop to print the names like this. Now I am going to include one element to the first names list and keep our last names list as it is. And if I zip the two lists and print the output, you can see that the resulting list is similar in length for the last names list. That means when we have unequal size containers, the function will iterate over the smallest iterable container. So that's all about Python zip method, and let's look how we can unzip this full names list. That is converting our zipped object to its initial format. So initially we had two separate lists. That means we are going to need two separate variables to store our new output. And it's just a single function line, and in here you can see we just have a single parameter along with the star marks. And if I print the two objects, you can see that we are getting two separate tuples, each containing the elements that we had in our initial lists. So that's all about the Python zip function and how we can unzip a zipped object. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for more videos.